guys, this is Swapnadeep. Welcome to my channel, The Kitchen Lover. Today I am going to show you that how can you make paneer at home. So let's start. Guys, what we need are 1 liter milk, lemon, or you can even use vinegar, a muslin cloth, a bowl. Guys, first of all, you have to pour the milk into the pan. Now let it heat for around 5 to 7 minutes in full flame. So guys, meanwhile we will cut the lemon into half like this and squeeze it out. Okay guys, now let's pour the lemon juice into the milk. Okay guys, you can see the casein is formed. Now just stir it for just 30 to 40 seconds and it will leave water. So guys, you can see the water is separated. Now don't overcook it, just turn off the flame and let it stay for just around 1 minute or 2 minutes. Guys, now keep the cloth like this way, covered in the bowl like this. Now pour that into this bowl like this. Now just do like this. Be careful, it's very hot. Just take out the excess water like this. Guys, take a bowl and in it you keep room temperature water, or you can even use iced water, and keep it here like this. Be careful, it is still hot. Just squeeze out the water like this and just roll it like this. Be very careful, it's very hot. So guys, you can see that I have kept my paneer here, and a heavy thing, you can even use bowl or any other heavy thing that we need, and keep it here. Just I have used this to flatten the surface. You may not use it. It will be ready in around 2 to 3 hours. So just wait. Guys, you can see that our paneer has been made nicely. Now you all have to do is keep the paneer in the refrigerator around 30 minutes. If you want to keep in 30 minutes, then just increase the temperature, and if 1 hour, then just decrease it like this. It's your choice if you have time, but I will keep normal temperature so that it sets very well. So guys, you can see our paneer is made. I am cutting it and showing it. See guys, you can see we have cut our paneers like this.